vscode for Java development. vscode is a fast, lightweight, and customizable code editor. It's designed for developers using various programming languages, including Java. Its intuitive interface, powerful debugging, and a vast library of extensions make it ideal for Java development. vscode boosts productivity with features like IntelliSense. It provides smart code completion and suggestions. It also has built-in Git for version control. These tools streamline the development process. How to set up vscode for Java development. Setting up vscode for Java development is a straightforward process that can be done in a few simple steps. First, you will need to install the Java Development Kit (JDK) on your machine. After installing the JDK, download and install the Java extension pack for vscode. It includes essential tools and extensions for Java development. You can also customize your editor. Key features of vscode for Java development. IntelliSense. vscode's IntelliSense feature speeds up Java coding. It offers real-time code completion, parameter hints, and smart suggestions as you type. Debugging tools. vscode has powerful tools for debugging. They let you debug your Java apps, set breakpoints, inspect variables, and troubleshoot issues. Extensions. You can customize vscode with its vast library of extensions. You can add linters, formatters, and more language support. Conclusion. In conclusion, Visual Studio Code is a powerful, versatile code editor. It has many features and tools for Java development.